Welcome back, Chef Young Nick Young, Sandwich God. Today, grilled cheese, PB&J burger patty in the middle. Unheard of, ridiculous, crazy, redonkulous, but it's what we do. Sandwich God, let's go. Here we have our beautiful spread for today. We have some French bread. It's already been sliced up about finger width, as you can see here. We got some 80-20 ground beef, patted out 4-ounce patties, so I got 4 patties here. All right. The one and only peanut butter that anybody should be eating, extra chunky. That's it. Fan favorite, grape jelly. A beautiful Kerrygold butter, as always. We always get the best. Some butter pickles, and then I decided today to do white American and yellow American. So everything is patted up. There's 4 slices per. Go to the deli, hook it up. About, I don't know, that big. I don't know how big that is. Like 3/4 of an inch, whatever. And this is our spread for today. All right, let's get to it. Now, first and foremost, the most importante part of this whole situation. Gotta have your chunky. And you see what's inside here, people? That's a spoon. It's a motherfucking spoon. Not a knife, not a fork, not a spork, it's a spoon. For equal coast-to-coast consistency, you need surface ura. Spoon has perfect surface ura. Shout out, trademark, Sandwich God. So, let's get to it. We got our bread ready right here. Simple French bread. I always start with my peanut butter first because I'm a peanut butter guy. So we're gonna hit the, see that? You see that? You saw I just did that with my finger? It just came off like, whoa. Now I ain't ready. Hit it with the spread, the schmear. One more time, see my finger? Wow, wow, amazing. Like that, boom. Coast to coast. Now you don't wanna go crazy, like this is a triple decker PB&J because it's gonna be too much. So you just want a nice, smooth consistency, coast to coast. Done, we in our jelly now, all right? In that jelly mix. Boom, jelly, same thing. See my finger? Oh man, wow, craziness, what? And we schmear, baby. Just like that. And this right here is most importante. Shout out AC. Shout out to all my alcohol enthusiasts out there, because AC is the king of all PB&Js. You know what I'm talking about. Boy, eat 3-4 PB&Js in a day. There we go. Fold it up. Boom. That's it. That's it, people. On to the next. Now we're gonna get into doing our PB&J grilled cheese, even though it's not cheese on it, but it's called grilled cheese because you gotta grill it anyway. So that's what we're gonna do first, and then we're gonna go into the grilled cheese and then go into the burger patty and get all that cracking. Cheesy, buttery, peanut buttery, jelly, extravaganza. Let's do it. Go ahead and drop our grilled cheese, or our PB&J in first. Get good contact like that. I'm gonna swish it around, swish it around to catch all that extra butter. Just like that. Chop it up just a little bit. And just let it do its thing. Probably 1.5 to 2 minutes per side, depending on how hot your stove is. And just get it to whatever desired color you want. I like mine a little bit darker because I like that good color. Other than that, it's like making a grilled cheese, but it's a peanut butter and jelly. She's ready to go. Give her a flip. Just like that. That bit looked like French toast right there. You see that right there? Get that leftover butter. And the most important part is you don't want to press it. You don't want it to be super fat because this is going to be too much bread. So you just press it down, just like you do your Kraft American grilled cheeses. So you have a nice surface area bun to work with. And that's it. Butter in the pan in the butter. Bread goes down. Give it a swizzle swirl. And then we got our cheese. American white, American yellow, or as I like to call it, the orange. But either way, it's all the same. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Let them get melted up. Then we're gonna fold them back together, press it, make a nice layer. All right, now we're going for our flip. Just like that. Make them kiss and make them line up. Just like that, and then give them the press down. Press. different layers to this shit, you feel me? We got our non-stick pan ready to go for our burger patties. Get a little bit of oil. Just like that right there. Give it a little movement, because we like to have that all the way around like that. Hit me a little S&P on this bad boy. Real simple, how we always do S&P, that's it for me. And then I'm just gonna go straight in, cook it to your desired temperature. That's it. Pepper on the other side. Salt. That's it. Grilled cheese, GBD. See that right there? Down. PB&J. Little lead on one side, GBD on the other side. Down. We're gonna go pickles. Bang, 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 bang. Burger patty. Down. PB&J with the flip. There's levels to this shit. You see that right there? Make you wanna hug your mama, tell her you love her, because it's gonna be a long ride. There we are. We're gonna go ahead with the hand on it. Give it that press. Press. Going in for the cut. And then, there we go. Bam. That's how babies do it. You dig? So good. You literally can taste everything. Everything. Pickle, cheese, meat, jelly, peanut butter. Everything in this you can taste, and it all comes together in a beautiful cohesiveness. What else can I say? Sandwich God, Chef Young Nick Young. Grilled cheese, PB&J, burger, layers to the shit.